Hi, I'm Andrew Mishlove at Mishlove and Stuckert. We're Wisconsin's only true specialists in the defense of accusations of impaired driving. Nowadays, the majority of states in the United States have legal cannabis, legal THC, either for medical purposes or recreational purposes. Just south of Wisconsin, not too many miles from here, cannabis is legal for recreational purposes in Illinois. Cannabis is legal for recreational purposes in the state of Michigan. So you might think that it's okay if you're using cannabis legally in Illinois or Michigan, that you can just drive in Wisconsin. Well, that's not true. We have pretty much a zero tolerance policy to cannabis in Wisconsin. If a person is caught driving in Wisconsin with any detectable amount of Delta-9 THC, that's the active ingredient in cannabis, in their blood, that's a drunk driving case, whether or not they are impaired. So what does any detectable amount mean? Well, under Wisconsin law, detectable amount is defined as 1 nanogram per milliliter or more in a person's blood. That's a very small amount. That's a trace amount. Nobody would be high at 1 nanogram per milliliter. And people who smoke regularly will have more than that just in their blood if they haven't used recently. So we are seeing a lot of THC cases in Wisconsin under this any detectable amount rule. And what we have found is that the chemistry of this is suspect. When we start talking about these very low trace amounts of Delta-9, it's not so easy for the laboratories to detect it. They make mistakes, and we have won cases based on that. The other thing is, everybody knows that it's legal in Minnesota, it's legal in Michigan, it's legal in Illinois. Everyone's attitude is changing about it, for better or for worse, but Wisconsin laws are not changing. If anything, they're getting harsher. So if you are accused of a cannabis or THC impaired driving case in the state of Wisconsin, call the attorneys who can win these cases. Call the attorneys who are experts. Call the only true specialists in the state of Wisconsin, Mishlove and Stuckert.